So as you can see, I'm on the hybrid services stand actually, which is Mimaki's exclusive UK and Ireland distributor with Andy Gregory. Hello, how you doing?
Hello,
Good
Jack.
to see you again. Yeah, very well. Now, this is where it's really happening at the print show because we've got lots of European first world launches here.
Absolutely.
Yeah, do you want to tell us about these new printers?
Yeah, it's been absolutely great, Jack. We're really pleased to be here at the print show. And as you say, we've got 2 European launches. First of which is the new CJV 200 integrated print and cut with a choice of solvent inks. It's a brand new machine. The global launch was 4th of September, and this is the first showing of the system in Europe. Replacing the well-established CJV 150, but really sort of taking a step forward in terms of productivity, choice of inks, ink-saving functionalities built into the RIP, a whole gamut of benefits that customers can benefit from.
Yeah, well, I mean, you're really well known for your print and cut machine. CJV range is incredibly popular. What is this additionally going to bring to customers?
You know, I think most people recognize Mimaki products for their high level of engineering, build quality, reliability, excellent print. You don't lose any of that with this new CJV 200 series. But what Mimaki have essentially done is taken more of a focus on simplifying the design and use of the machine. So you can see very nice streamlined new look to the product. For operators, they'll find that cleaning operations and setup of the machine have really been optimized. So those timings, the time it takes to do those sorts of operations has been reduced down. It's got a dot alignment system on here, which has streamlined both installation and also for operators when they do need to do a realignment, really streamlines that and automates it fully for them. We've got, as I said, built into the RIP with a lot of the new Mimaki products, ink saving functionality. So an operator could potentially save 30% of their ink consumption when printing and maintain a delta E of less than 3.
Right,
so really
great quality.
Yeah, absolutely.
Good. I see the new ink set.
Absolutely, yeah. So we've essentially got 2 new inks that are available on the CJV 200. We've got the budget solvent ink, the BS4, which really offers operators that are more cost sensitive on their ink prices a really good option. It's only available in 4 color. Okay. So for those people that maybe need to hit certain colors for corporate customers, it's probably the SS22 that they will go for because that's available 8 color. But for many printers, sign makers, the budget solvent ink will be a good choice for them. Yeah. In fact, the first customer to actually purchase one of these moved from another brand of machine, running third-party ink. They traded in that old machine and are going to run it with BS4 to maintain the types of ink costs that they're used to running their business on.
Fantastic. Now, I know there's another new machine as well.
Indeed, yeah. Just follow me down here. We're very lucky to be able to have 2 European launches here at the show. And this is the TS330 3200DS. It's a 3.2 meter grand format, direct and paper transfer dye sublimation printer. Really pleased to have this in the range. It builds on the TS330 dye sublimation printer, the 1.6 wide, which is proving exceptionally popular in a range of different industries. What this does is really allows people that are doing interior signage, backlit, frontlit, exhibition graphics to have a solution at an exceptionally competitive price, to have a solution that if they want, they can run either direct to textile or onto dye sub paper. And it's built to the standards you would expect a Mimaki to be built to. It's just a really great product, and we're really excited to be bringing it to the UK and Ireland.
Yeah, I bet seems like a long time since launch a product like this.
Yes,
so
indeed.
We've been waiting for it.
We had a customer that's got a number of the TX Mimaki products that are direct to textile, And this is what he's been waiting for. This is the next step for his business, moving up to this wide format printer, 3.2 meters. And yeah, we're really excited. The feedback's been exceptionally good and positive from all the customers we've been talking to.
Good stuff. So, I mean, obviously, it's made its first appearance. It's been here now 2 days.
Yes.
But what has feedback been like from people coming to the show here?
Really good. Both for the CJV 200, a lot of excitement and interest, partly because obviously it's a new machine, but the increase in speed and productivity, the choice that's now available with the inks, the really competitive trade-in offer that's available from launch, that's making that really a big interest to a lot of companies. And then those people, again, the print show's not necessarily known for necessarily this type of machine, but we've had a lot of companies coming in because they've heard about the launch, wanting to take a look at it.
That's interesting.
So dropping into the show really just to see this printer.
Right.
So that's been really, really pleasing to see. And like I say, a lot of existing Mimaki customers that are really pleased that we're bringing this to the market because it enables them to stay with Mimaki, brand that they trust and know, but enables them to grow their business with this new printer.
Okay, well, this is great. So, but also, I don't want to feel bad for your older, more established printers.
Indeed not.
You've got a few here as well.
We have indeed, yeah. So we've got the still relatively new UCJV 330 160, which is
that's nice.
Yeah, it's the new design that Mimaki launched with this product. It's a integrated print and cut UV roll to roll printer. As you can see, printing onto chrome vinyl here, allowing you to produce some absolutely stunning types of graphics. Again, we've had a lot of interest in our UV systems, and that continues. And yeah, it's certainly been turning heads with some of the samples that we've been printing on here.
I mean, UV it's not brand new, but it's still relatively kind of new.
Yeah,
I think
absolutely.
Well.
You know, even today I've spoken to numerous companies that are printing still with solvent and looking at taking the next step.
Yeah.
Either wanting to broaden the range of materials they can print onto, looking to really add a premium level of quality to the types of prints that they can produce. And, you know, a UV printer like the UCJV 330 really allows them to take that next step up, develop the business, to develop what they can offer to their clients.
Fabulous. And there's stuff down the other end.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. The other side of the die sub printer, it's a bit of a walk.
It's a long walk.
It's quite long. We've got our UJF system, and again, this is actually a first as well. I didn't mention this at the beginning.
Ooh, okay,
so this is a new rotary axis, the high-speed kebab, which allows us, if I grab this sample down here, to produce a UV print on a cylindrical object with a taper of up to 7.5 degrees.
Nice.
So that really opens up both the types of products that you can UV print onto with a UJF printer. The other big thing is it's about 3 times the speed of the old rotary axis.
Wow.
Which really sort of changes the game, really, for those people that are using a UJF printer for personalization.
Yeah.
Previously, if they were doing small runs, the old system was good enough. But if they wanted to do sort of medium runs, maybe 40, 50, then potentially wouldn't have been fast enough for them.
Right.
This new kebab system, the high-speed kebab, really opens that up for them and opens up possibilities that weren't available when using a Mimaki UJF.
Superb.
So we've had lots of interest in that, and still a lot of interest in flat UV printing as well, for personalization in lots of different industries.
Yeah.
In addition, right on the end here, before we get to the coffee area, we've got our TXF 375, obviously launched a bit ago now, but still proving very, very popular. You know, we continue to be surprised by the range of industries and companies that are using DTF.
Yeah.
We've got, you know, a lot of our great resellers offering the DTF system, the length and breadth of the country and over in Ireland. And yeah, we just continue to be amazed at the number of companies that are looking to invest.
Yeah.
You know, especially, you know, sign-making companies that may be looking at the fact that they are producing graphics for their customers and maybe missing out on the opportunity to address apparel and personalization of clothing and other branded equipment like that.
Fantastic. And this technology just makes it so simple for smaller companies like just to get into this market. Brilliant. Oh.
And again, it's the Mimaki reliability. You know, it's a brand behind it, but it's the realities of what having a brand behind a product like this means. Yeah. It means that, you know, you can switch it on in the morning and you know it's going to work. Yeah. The white ink circulation takes care of that issue of the heavier pigmented white ink. So again, you don't need to worry about that being an issue for you using DTF.
Fabulous.
It's been great, and it's also been great to meet customers that have already invested in DTF. They're here at the show, talking to them about what they're using the systems for,
and then being able to show them all these other amazing products.
Absolutely, it's great. It's, you know, it's a really nice shop window for us here at the print show. You know, obviously we have a much wider range of equipment, including our JFX flatbeds, our 3D printers, and all sorts of other equipment at our showroom in Crewe. Yep. But it's been brilliant to be able to bring this massive range of kit here to the print show.
Fabulous. Well, enjoy the rest of the show, and thanks very much.
Thanks very much, Jack. Good to see you.